Is there any option to compare a variable with number and a string in a same if statement using OR operator? Is there any option to compare a variable with a number and a string in the same if statement using OR operator? I already tried this, but it's not returning true value.
Input returns a string, so you need to compare with the strings. Also, you can use in_contains_ to check for a value in a given collection that implements _contains_. Could be any primitive collection, for example tuple, list, set, but using set would be efficient due to the O1 lookups, but the cost of creating the collection would be the same for all. You can obviously do this using the OR chain, but that won't be as readable and maintainable as using a collection.
The input function returns a string. So in your case, although the user would input 1 or 2, X would still be a string 1 or 2. So what you could do is,
you can try this. Python input always returns a string in Python 3. If you are using Python 2, it could have returned integers. If you simply check for 1 or 1, since for the user they mean the same, it will work on both versions of Python.
I have updated your code and this is the result. The problem was you was comparing a str and int. To fix it you just had to do this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.